I don't gotta hurt you, God will. You and your feeling for no reason, bro. You built your own hatred off looking at me. What's wrong with you? You can't stop what God built, bro.
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Tamari and I go by Tamari Lucky on all my socials, so feel free to follow me on your favorite one. Today we are getting into a quick little video of us celebrating my last and final child's birthday. Yay, he's 5 today. Yay, he's starting a new cycle today. Yay, he's becoming more growner, more wiser, more independent. Yay. So yeah, this is just a few moments of us celebrating some of his birthday from today, and then we did something over the weekend, so feel free to check that video out. I just posted it yesterday. But yeah, let's get into the video. I didn't wrap it. You're welcome. Come on, grab the bag. It's heavy. There you go.
Okay, let's do
Take it in the living room. Go, 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 go. And let's see what you got really quick before you go to school.
I always love these things.
Is that a gun? You want to be out there like bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Eggs. Yeah, the raptor love these with you. I'm doing this now. Yeah, I liked. Yeah. Wait, I'm back for this marble set. This is not marble set. This whole set.
What is that? Oh, that's kinetic sand.
Well, yeah, I've been wanting kinetic sand. I actually like all of this stuff.
Good. I'm glad you like it. I'm so glad you like it. Happy birthday. So we still have to get some more stuff later, but I did want to get you something on the day of your birthday since we didn't get you anything at Walmart because we don't reward bad behavior. But this is just a small gift to show you that I'm happy for your 5th year life and I'm glad that you're getting bigger and stronger and that you just keep growing into who you were meant to grow into. So I hope you enjoy your presents when you come home from school. You can go outside and play or something. I don't know. But we have to finish getting ready. So we got to get your cupcakes so we can put them in your book bag. And yeah, you guys are going to have a great day at school today.
Yeah. And she play makeup like it's Maybelline. Cover up the little things. Can't take back what you say to me. Like, girl, you better not play with me.
Wow, you look so big already. You just turned 5 today. You already look like you 7.
We're taller than the bed.
Mm-hmm. How many cupcakes are left?
I'm gonna go out.
He gonna come in here and talk about something. Can I have another cupcake since I'm the birthday boy? It's like, go ahead, little boy. Get you one more cupcake. That's it for tonight. Because we've been throwing them cupcakes back. Throwing them little mini cupcakes back. But we already pretty much chilled for the day. I let him open up his presents this morning. And then he had to go to school. And then we had our little dinner. Gonna get ready to... I'm finna go to bed. I just got out of the... I just took me a bath with the Epsom's.
9.
There's 9. Okay, there's still a lot of little mini cupcakes left. Okay, somebody needs to go start their shower.
Cause it's your birthday boy. Cause I got to take a shower first.
Yeah, you can not go first, but you going tonight. So tell your sister that her birthday gift to you is for her to take her shower first. Go. So yeah, I just got done taking me a bath. I had me a good old shower earlier, and then I had me a little me time session, and then tonight I was just like, I need to take me a bath. I just want to soak in some warm water with the salt and a little bit of oil. So I did that, and yeah, I'm nice and relaxed right now. I'm finna get ready to go to bed. I feel like, it was a good little birthday celebration for him. We got another birthday coming up at the end of the month, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't believe it's already about to be 2025. Like, the way this year just flew by so freaking fast is unbelievable. Like, it was just January of 2024 2 seconds ago, and now we're already in 2025. I've been using my I got a mini stepper, so I've been using that for like the last 2 days. So I'm thinking it's gonna make my booty a little bit big, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna lift it up, it's gonna give me a nice little shape, because it's like a mini elliptical. So I have it under my desk, and I've been doing. So yeah, I started doing that like over the last few days just to see how I like it. And it's not bad. I feel like it's a cool little machine to get a nice little leg workout and some cardio in. I haven't really tried it seriously for like a straight duration of time for like 15 minutes or 30 minutes or something like that. But I feel like if I do, then I feel like I'm going to get a really good leg workout. And then if I add some weights to it, baby, then the legs are going to be going crazy, right? But we'll see about that. I ain't even worried about no weight loss goals or anything like that, but I do want to still find like activities in order to, you know what I'm saying, create energy, release energy type shit. So yeah, that was pretty much the day. It was pretty chill. Do I have a story time? We're not even gonna do a story time. We're just gonna keep the birthday day. We're gonna keep the birthday day, and then we'll do a story time or something tomorrow. Okay, guys, so that was pretty much our birthday celebration, or not our birthday celebration for Jiraiya. I don't know, I just kind of like doing things in parts, like small parts, you know what I'm saying, throughout the week of the birthday. It's kind of like you get to extend it, and it becomes like a event that's not just one day but multiple days. So it's been fun celebrating his 5th birthday. Of course, as a mom, you always wish that you could do more, but I am grateful and excited for what we could do, and I'm really grateful for the things that the money can't buy, just like being around them and just getting that experience and like seeing and sharing the joy that they experience just by, you know what I'm saying, us being together and celebrating and stuff like that. So it was really nice. This weekend, I don't really have any plans for this weekend, and then next weekend it's back to me. And the weekend after that, it's back to me, so I'm probably gonna see about taking myself out to do very much something. So yeah, we had a good time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, y'all. I will see y'all in the next one, probably with a story time or something. But if you haven't already, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and then hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.